highlights how sneakers continue to evolve in the formal meets casual space, a lane that's now embraced by nearly every brand. Nike's Beaverton camp introduces the Air Jordan Mule Loafer, which quickly ventured into bold experimental styles, starting with cow prints and now moving into reptilian textures. Snakeskin, already popular in designs like the New Balance 1890, naturally fits this trend and gives the silhouette a striking edge. The new brown Snakeskin edition combines a reptilian-patterned upper with a gold branding detail and a platform sole in deep brown, balancing luxury with streetwear. Set for a holiday 2025 launch, the shoe stays women's exclusive and retails for $145. More than just footwear, it reflects the ubiquity of the hybrid sneaker-loafer category, blending adventurous materials with fashion-forward detailing while proving how quickly this model has taken hold in the marketplace.